Hey everyone, in this video, I will walk you through how to set up AWS billing alarms so you can track your spending and avoid any unexpected charges. After setting up your AWS account, if you skip configuring these alerts, there's a good chance you might run into an unexpected bill later on. And honestly, that's not the kind of start you want when you're just getting into AWS. So let's go ahead and get this set up right away. All right, let me just open up the AWS console here. HTTPS AWS console. Now just go ahead and click on sign into console. Just scroll down a bit from here. I'm going to click on sign in using root user email so I can log in as the root user instead of using an IAM account. This step matters because billing settings are managed at the account level. So you'll need root access to make these changes. All right, I'm on the sign in page now. So I will just leave the root user option selected here. I will go ahead and enter my root user email address here and click on next. I will enter the password here and then click sign in. Now it is asking for an MFA code since I've secured my root user account with multi-factor authentication. So I'll just open up Google Authenticator, grab the MFA code from there and enter it here. And now I'll just click sign in to continue. All right, once you're inside the AWS console, head over to the search bar at the top, type billing, and open billing and cost management. From there, take a look at the menu on the left side and scroll down a bit till you find preferences and settings. Click on billing preferences. Now on the right side, you'll see a section called alert preferences. Go ahead and click edit. First, make sure receive AWS free tier alerts is turned on. This basically helps you keep track when you're getting close to the free usage limits, which is pretty useful. Then enter the email address where you want to receive these notifications. I'll just type my email address here. After that, select receive CloudWatch billing alerts. This part is important because without this, your billing alarms won't actually work. And once that's done, just click update to save everything. All right, moving on to the next part. Now we'll go ahead and set up the billing alarms. Head back to the search bar again. Type CloudWatch and open CloudWatch. On the main page, scroll down a bit and click on Create Alarms. And then hit the orange Create Alarm button to continue. Now make sure your region is set to North Virginia. This part matters because billing metrics are only available in that region. So let me click that. Scroll down a bit and click on Select Metric. I'm going to select Billing as a metric and then select Total Estimated Charge. I'm going to pick US dollar as the currency and click Select Metric. Okay, let me scroll down. Now we'll define the alarm conditions. I'm going to keep the metric name as Estimated Charges and leave the statistics set to maximum. And I'll also keep the period to 6 hours so AWS checks your usage every 6 hours. Let me scroll down. For threshold type, keep it as static, which basically means you're setting the limit yourself. Now enter a value, something like $5. So if your charges go above that, the alarm will trigger. You can tweak this number depending on what you're comfortable with. Just click next. All right, now let's set up the notifications part. I'm going to click on add notifications and I'll keep the alarm state trigger set to in alarm, which basically triggers this alarm if it is outside of the defined threshold. I'm going to select create new topic. Give it a simple name like billing alarm topic. Now, just so you know, SNS stands for simple notification service. Now, once that's done, scroll down a bit and specify the email address where you want to receive alerts. I'm going to type in my email address and click on create topic. All right, you can see the email endpoint has been added. Scroll all the way down and click on next. Now give your alarm a name, example billing alarm. And if you want to add in an optional alarm description, you can add it in here. I'm going to skip that and click next. All right, you can review your selections. And if it is all good, click on create alarm. That's it. Your billing alarm is now set up. One small but important thing here, you need to confirm your email subscription. Just check your inbox and click on the confirmation link. If you skip this, you won't get any alerts. All right, heading back to the AWS console, scroll down to cost and usage. And if it shows no data right now, that's completely normal for a new account. It'll start showing your usage and even a forecast over time. And that's pretty much it. This is how you configure AWS alarms using CloudWatch. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. If you want to support the channel, you can buy me a coffee using the link in the description. Use the thanks button below or support directly via PhonePe using the number on screen, or you can scan the QR code. It really helps me keep making content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.